Hey, it's Mark Weiss. I recently saw a news story about a group of California legislators, state-level legislators, who've written a letter to HCA concerning their dangerous staffing practices at one of their facilities in the South Bay Area, the South San Francisco Bay Area, that is, in California. They were complaining that staffing levels are low, that it's presenting dangers to patients. And what were they basing their data on? Well, as you read the article, it turns out that it's based on data from 2018 and 2019, but it's 2021. What's that all about? Well, as you read more, maybe coincidentally, but maybe not, you learn that there is basically a nursing protest. Not quite a strike, but some work slowdowns, work stoppages, some, protests by nurses. So this is simply union politics. Now, I'm not dumping on union politics, well, at least not right now, but what I'm pointing out is that these guys are smart. What they've done is they've used outside leverage, governmental leverage, gets immediate press, and in a state where legislators are very friendly to unions, gets a pretty darn quick and vocal response. So I've been doing a number of these Success in Motion videos hitting on the leverage gained in the war of the flea sort of context, the notion of votes of no confidence, of the fact that rather small players can obtain outsized leverage by coordinating their activities, by being very quick in doing so, by presenting outside amounts of pressure when measured with what one might think is normally the amount of political pressure they have. But here's another example, something to think about, and that is, don't simply think about what pressure you can put on, what leverage you have. Think about drafting for your own benefit the leverage that could be provided by an outside source, whether it's a state legislator or legislators or not. Think about how that can be used in your negotiations for your benefits.